going to do every sound effect I need. No matter where I am, if I initiate something that needs a sound effect, you'll be right there. Make sure you're up against the microphone at all times. So you want a little higher, or is it okay? No? How did this go wrong at all? And Brad, what are you doing?
I'm out in the audience because I'm going to have this whole section of the audience do my sound effects.
So everyone is on the same page. Mindy will be doing all of my sound effects. The sound effects for Brad will be done by one audience member at a time, moving back and forth, serpentining, and all that stuff. We'll have a little practice. So if Brad was going to open a very squeaky door, it may sound something like this. All right, Mindy, the bar has been raised. If I was going to open a beer can that had been shaken, it would sound something like this.
I love Knoxville, Tennessee.
I'm pretty sure Mindy knows that's a dangerous occupation, like a rodeo clown or a skydiver. A district manager, alligator trainer. Trainer.
Wow. All right.
I'm pretty sure we've never had that.
Morning, Bill.
Frank, I gotta say I'm nervous.
You're nervous?
I've never trained an alligator before. I'm not even sure why the hell we're doing it.
They're almost untrainable. There are very few tricks they can do other than bite.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about.
But we've so far gotten them to stand on their hind legs and beat the crap out of people with their tail.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Well, that should be fun. You know, when I get nervous like this, I always make myself a little smoothie to relax.
Oh, all right.
So I just got the blender there. I'll bring some ice. I'll turn off the blender because I don't put anything in it.
Oh, okay.
That's how nervous I am.
Yeah, well, turn it off until you're ready.
Okay, I'm just going to put some ice cubes. Some protein powder. Banana. I don't know why, I just feel dirty all of a sudden. Some juice. Still not as wet as the banana. Turn on the blender. Oh, the lawn sprinklers are on. It's a special recipe I have.
I have never been so turned on by someone making a beverage. Just want to say.
All right. Oh, that's just... I'm filled with energy now.
Good. Now, I want to show you some safety equipment that we're going to have on us at all times while we are training the gators.
Good idea.
First of all, there's this little, basically it's a 3,000 volt electric stun gun in case they try to bite you.
How many volts?
3,000 volts, but they're compressed.
Oh.
So but the sound is shocking as it is. A bullwhip, because to keep them at bay, that threatens them. I'll show you how to use a bullwhip. Oh, I forgot to take the safety off. I'll show you how to do this. There you go.
Wow, that's a... Okay, I've never used one before.
All right. Not bad. I have a revolver in case things go terribly wrong.
Don't kill me.
No, not you.
Oh, all right.
No, don't shoot yourself. If he gets a hold of your arm and starts spinning.
All right.
Shoot him. Now, just so you know what to expect, this is a 44 Magnum, most powerful handgun in the world. Let me open the window and I'll just fire it out there.
Shouldn't you load it first?
It has one safety bullet that has talcum powder.
Oh.
And now I'll fire an actual round.
Pow! Wow. That is powerful. I got the alligator call, just to, bring them up. They love unusual birds.
Oh. Well, that sounds like an unusual... Why don't we go get in the swamp boat yourself in, because this thing really moves. All right, let me start her up. It's haunted.
Really?
Yeah. I got it cheap on eBay because nobody wants a haunted swamp boat.
Hey, I installed the alligator trainer horn.
Oh, you did?
Listen.
I like the horn that came on the boat. Nice and simple.
Yeah, it just doesn't seem manly enough.
I like it. Boo. Oh. I like that one. I'll do that one again a couple times.
Sounds like the boat's a little stopped up.
I've also got one that sounds like an old-fashioned Model A car horn.
Really?
Auga! I'll do that one a couple of times. Auga! 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 Auga!
Wow.
Watch if I do it real fast.
CD player in this.
I do.
Mind if I put on a CD?
Yes, please.
I'll just put on a little ABBA. Man, they were overrated.
We'll get to the chorus eventually.
You can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Ooh, see, girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing queen.
Gator mating call to see if I can sound out where the rest of them might be.
That's an alligator mating call?
Yeah, they sound like birds when they mate. Rest of the time they sound like gators, but it confuses the other animals, so they don't get bothered.
Interesting. Over there.
Oh,
That's the biggest gator I've ever seen. He's got a puppy in his mouth.
we've got to save that puppy. Here, I have a blow dart. Oh, I hit the puppy.
That's all right, he's asleep now.
The good thing is the puppy will sleep through all of the horror.
So here, I have a puppy magnet.
Oh, good.
Got him.
Good thinking. Why do you have a puppy magnet?
Why not? For this very occasion. Oh, he's a blow dart. You all right?
No. I didn't see that one coming.
No. Why would an alligator get a blow dart?
I don't know. These are very evolved gators. One of those fast-acting Novocaine darts. Oh, left side of my body is numb.
Wait, in the medical kit, I got something up here. This should help you.
I feel like I'm walking like a...
Don't worry about that sound. That means it's working.
Oh. For a minute, I was walking like a Frenchman on cheese day.
Yeah. Oh, it must be lunchtime.
All right, let's have lunch. I don't care. Oh, Doritos.
I have marshmallows.
Oh. Hey, there's a horse walking by.
It's okay, I have a horse magnet.
Oh.
Go.
Oh, and there's a little cat. You have a magnet?
Yeah.
What do you call it?
Cat magnet. There are many other names, but here it's a cat magnet.
Let's get to that gator. Ow, that dart hurt. All right, you have the duct tape? All right. It's really easy.
Wait. Why are you explaining it to me?
Because I'm training you how to train the gator. I'm a gator trainer.
I got an idea. Just gonna unroll the duct tape a little.
Good thinking.
Everything I have is wet.
We're in a swamp.
I guess.
What do you think?
What's this?
Wow.
Just wrapped around his snout.
All right. Now, jump on the gator. No, I mean, you gotta straddle him like you're riding him in the rodeo.
Okay.
Okay, now before we get started, find out if he's a man or a woman. I thought that's what you were doing.
No, I was just tickling him.
Oh. We gotta know, for science.
He has a pink bow on his tail. Must be a girl.
Okay, all right. All right, now, tell him in his ear what you want him to do. You're the gator whisperer.
I want you to be tame. Oh.
See that?
Oh, just...
See, they're tame as puppies when you treat them right.
So you just have to tape up their mouth and tickle them and...
Now that you've trained him, he trusts you. You can take the duct tape off and stick your arm all the way down his throat.
Why don't you show me that? Just...
See? You give it a try. I guess he doesn't trust you yet.
No. Can you get the gator off my arm?
Yes. Luckily I have the crowbar.
Try the mouth.
I'm sorry, that's a parrot.
Oh.
There you go.
I'm going to knock him out with this knockout gas.
Okay.
It's very powerful.
Wow. That's powerful. More powerful than my 357 Magnum.
Yeah.
A couple of beers. I thought just in case things went well, we could pop open a beer and celebrate. Almost forgot. You were burping champion in college. Can you still do that thing where you burp and then you yodel and then you burp and yodel?
Yeah, it's called burp-hodling.
Oh, I remember that. That was awesome.
I will burp, then I will yodel, then I will burp, and then I will yodel, and then I'll sing Dancing Queen.
If you can do that, I'll give you $20. I'd like to see that.
All right. Burp, yodel, Dancing Queen.
Yodeling people. Yodeling people. You can dance. You